I believe that our desk setups are one of the most important areas, especially for those who spend countless hours working and gaming on a daily basis. As years pass by, I've tried multiple types of setups to make my space more organized, comfortable, and looks good. This video is sponsored by Artlist, but more on that later. So here are my essential desk accessories that I used on a daily basis. Please use the affiliate links in the description below if you're interested on any of them. It's a way to support my channel without additional cost. First up, I have this Balo desk setup cockpit in walnut theme. This setup is composed of a large desk shelf with mounting holes for you to customize functionality and to hide things such as the audio interface, a controller, a Bible because I do read it, and other things for instant access. You can install a large tray to put and organize essential things you use on a daily basis such as SSDs, memory cards, and other accessories that can fit. Balo also offer a MagSafe charger for your phone. It's screwed on the shelf so it's not going anywhere without the inconvenience of a regular MagSafe charger. On the right side, I have these pen holders. It's another way to organize your pens and other accessories. For symmetry, I do have these two small fake plants on the left side to give a little bit of green on my setup. Also from Balo, I have these speaker stands for an optimal position for editing and listening. And lastly, a set of desk coasters for your coffee, tea, or other drinks while working. The second on my list are these bookshelf speakers. These are the Edifier R1700 BT in black and white color. I think these are the best value speakers you can buy for your setup because of its superb sound quality, aesthetics, plus it's Bluetooth with a remote and the overall price. Since we're talking audios, I also use the Sony 1000 XM5 headphones in black. It's definitely one of the top headphones when it comes to quality, comfort, and aesthetics. This headphone is pricey, but you do get what you paid for. I actually bought this barely used for only $160, which is a steal deal. It has one of the best noise cancelling features, the sound quality is really good, and it provides a fuller sound, and it's comfortable to wear even for long hours of usage. And I hang it with the Secret Lab magnetic headphone hanger. For my keyboard and mouse, I do love some custom keyboard, so I got this Chilkey ND75, an aluminum keyboard in all white with Japanese XDA keycaps with Wookiee Marandi switches. And it has a small LCD screen so you can toggle around settings. I know it's just a keyboard, but I think typing with this makes it way more enjoyable because of its creamy, smooth linear feel, and the typing experience is just amazing. Here's a sound test. For my mouse, I went with the Logitech G502X wireless because I really love the way this mouse feels in my hand, and I do casual gaming on the side, so I think it's a perfect pair. Since we're talking about mouse and keyboard, I also use this Orbitkey desk mat to put away and organize some of my notes to make my desk clutter-free, and it just looks good overall. Next is a Halo light bar from BenQ. It's wireless control with a seamless knob to adjust the settings such as brightness, temperature, and other settings. It has 3 types of mode, including from the front, the back, and both. The main purpose of a light bar on the monitor is to reduce eye strain, especially to those who work countless hours on their computer, and just general lighting for your desk. So before I continue, let me tell you about the sponsor of this video, Artlist, because they're the OGs that supports my channel, but at this point, Artlist just made it even easier for us content creators, cinematographers, or anything that involves video creation because it's an all-in-one platform where you can get music, sound effects, footages, templates, you name it. And now they added a new feature called AI voiceovers where you can generate different types of highly effective voices for your projects.
Colors are manifestations of light, interacting with matter.
The solar system, our cosmic home,
our splendid sparkling water.
Do you ever wonder what it truly means to connect?
But let me show you how it works. Just simply select the type of voice you want by browsing their library. You have a wide variety to choose from. Maybe we can try this one. Once done, copy and paste your script on the text bar, click the voice settings to play around with the style, and then press generate. Let's see what we got.
Hello, my name is Enrico, and I'm here to explain to you how this voiceover will truly make things easier.
It's so easy and simple to produce high-quality voiceovers with this feature, and it'll definitely speed up your projects. Artlist has been my go-to when it comes to getting licensed music and sound effects for all my projects. Their footage and templates are definitely high quality and can help you with your storytelling. They even have apps and plugins, but one thing I really like about Artlist and why I trust them is their continuous library update in a wide variety of selections so you can get the latest assets for your videos. So head to artlist.io, sign up for free so you can try it out for yourself. Use my link below to get 2 months free if you sign up with an annual plan. Thanks again Artlist for sponsoring this video. Next up, it's as simple as a notepad because I like writing down what I have to do first thing in the morning and mark it off like a side quest once done throughout the day. And it keeps me focused and puts me in check, especially when you're easily distracted with so many things throughout the day. So I highly recommend it. This one is from Amazon, so link in the description. Another one, since I do a lot of video editing and filming, I do have a memory card reader on the side. This memory card reader is from ProGrade that can transfer up to 40 gigabits per second, at least on paper, and it's for Sony CF Express Type A cards. It's just for convenience instead of always plugging and unplugging every time you transfer files. For cleaning, I keep it simple. I use this Colbor air blower to blow off dust from time to time. It also has an LED light for darker areas, and I do have some microfiber cloth when I really need to clean my desk. For my mic and audio interface, I use the Leewit LCT 440 Pure, a large diaphragm microphone that produces a dynamic sound, and because I do sing and record from time to time. I also pair it with a low-profile Elgato mic arm so I can freely move it and tuck it away when not needed. For my audio interface, I'm using the M Audio Track Solo so I can control the gain, modes, and volume. For the sides, it's not final yet, but I do have these Govee floor lamps that provides ambient lighting for more comfort. I think these are 5 feet tall, RGB with smart control, compatible with Alexa app, and it's best for lighting up corner walls. Last on the list is a memory foam footrest. I think this accessory is quite underrated because of the amount of comfort it provides, especially when working and editing long hours on the computer. I think it's a must-have for desk setups. So far, I've been trying not to add as many accessories on my desk because I like it clean and minimal. As long as it provides functionality, comfort, and it looks good, that is the very goal of this video. This is not a full desk setup tour because it's not quite complete yet, and these are just the essential accessories that I use on a daily basis or per project. So I really hope you find some sort of inspiration for your setup, and don't forget links in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment of what you think, follow me on my social media, and as always, have a great day, stay faithful, and here are some of my videos if you want to check my channel. Wouldn't hurt. Peace out.